anniversary, Cabagues, ang Susi. Agan kayo, ditangkan ka na yung kastang sa batamin na pagitoy.
Happy anniversary, Mama and Papa. Thank you for the sharing and blessing, loving and caring. We miss you and I love you, Mama and Papa. God bless.
2, 3. Happy wedding anniversary, Mama and Papa. We love you.
Happy 42 anniversary, Lolo and Lola. More blessings to come. We love you. We miss you.
Anniversary, Lolo and Lola. I miss you and I love you.
Happy anniversary, Lolo and Lola. Ingat po kayo. At alagaan niyo po yung sarili ninyo. Thank you po.
Happy anniversary, Lola. Lolo, I miss you, love you.